Hello guys, welcome to this video. My name is Anuth and today in the JavaScript tutorial I'll discuss about JavaScript hosting. So this is very important because interviewer asked this question. Even this concept we use maximum time in our real life project. So here first of all I will just explain what is JavaScript hosting and then I will give the practical example. Then it will be easy to understand. So here first of all, what is JavaScript hosting? So if I go to the definition, hosting means when we declare anything so that moves to top when our page is reloaded. So declare means it can be variable declare, it can be function declare. Okay, so when we'll reload our page, so that time all the declaration will move to top. Means see here first of all understand the definition, then we'll show you the practical example. So suppose here we have one variable, okay, where a equals to hello, okay, and here I will just write console dot log a. Okay, this is variable, okay, this is called variable declaration. Now I will declare one function. So here I will write function. You know how to write function. Here I'm assuming if you don't know, so you can watch my previous video, there I have discussed all the things. So here function name is b, okay, and in this function just I will one console dot log and here I will write function called. Okay, so here you can see I have declared one function and I have declared one variable. Now here I call this variable and here if I write this means I have called the function, right? So when I will reload the page means if I go to preview, so see here this is okay, here it is showing error, console spelling is wrong. So now save and see here when I will reload the page, okay, here you can see the reload button. So when I will reload the page, so all the declaration will move to top. Means here suppose this one is calling, right, and this one declaration. So this is function call and this is function declaration. So what if I call the function before then declaration, means I'm calling one function but here I haven't declared the function, I declare here below. So what it will happen? So if you are thinking it will show an error, like it will show like function is not declared and I'm calling before. So you are wrong, because when page is reloaded, so JavaScript what it does, I mean how JavaScript compile, so first it will move the declaration on top. So you no need to do anything, JavaScript will do that. Okay, means JavaScript compiler works like that way. Means here this declaration it will move to top. Means I will cut from here and I will write here. Means here I am doing but JavaScript will do in background. Okay, you no need to do. So then what it will happen, first JavaScript find any declaration is there or not. So when it will find this declaration, so it will move to top, and after that it will find the calling one, means function call, variable call, like this way. Okay, so here now see if I call the function before that declaration, so let's see we'll get output or not. If we get the output, means JavaScript compiler doing as expected. Okay, so now save and see I'm getting the result, function called, but here I call the function before declaration. How getting? Because here it is moving top when page is reloading. This JavaScript compiler do actually. Okay, so I hope you understood that hosting concept. Okay, so same way you can do for the variable as well. Means here first of all I'll just write one a equals to hello. Means I haven't declared, okay, I haven't declared a is the variable. Here I will declare a is the variable, means where a, like this way. See, first I'm just assigning value and calling that one, but later I have declared it's a variable. So let's see for this case what I will get. See, no error, I'm getting the output, because first JavaScript will try to find the declaration. So it will find here, it will find here. So all those things JavaScript will move top, means when it will find during compilation, so it will find first it will start from here, so it will find here is the one declaration, so it will cut from here and it will move top. Okay, again JavaScript will start to find the declaration, means here it is calling, so JavaScript won't take this one, this is the declaration. So again JavaScript will cut from here and it will write here. See, all the declaration JavaScript will move top like this way, and after that it will find the assigning. Okay, here this is assigned one and then calling one. Okay, so this is the concept of JavaScript compiler and this is the concept of hosting. Okay, so now here one thing I want to show, like hosting, variable declaration you noticed, right? It is working, but here you can see I declare variable using var, but if I declare variable using constant let, so that time hosting doesn't work. Okay, so now I'll keep as it is, like same, I mean first calling and then declaration. Okay, because I want to show you, and function calling I will remove. Okay, because I want to show you now variable only, like const and let doesn't work, so that I want to show. So here var a it is working. See, I will show you again, it is working, but now if I write here let, see it will not work, so it is showing error. Okay, see here that time it is showing before initializing, means here I haven't initialized but I call that one, right? So that's why it is an error, means I haven't initialized this one but before that I call this, so it is the error. Same way const means all directly it will show error here because a is there here, and const again I'm writing a, so it is showing error directly here. Okay, so const and let doesn't work for hosting. Okay, you have to remember that one. And this is the concept of hosting. If you find this video is helpful, so please like this video, also subscribe my channel to get more update in JavaScript.